Here we are in the barn with our indoor cat, Lucky, on a leash and harness. This is her first time exploring the barn. She's in Mandy and Delilah's stall. Hi, Lucky. She's taking Quentin for a walk. Check out the horse's stall now. Big giant pieces of poop. Oh, let's roll in it. Or maybe not. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we can always give you a bath later. You roll away. Oh, is that nice? Oh. Oh, she's trying to get out. What she's, oh, look at that. She's,
I knew that cat would figure it out.
She blinked right out of it. Now what, Lucky?
You're getting out of
There she
that
goes. Yeah. Well. Yeah. It's the milk stand. That's where Quinn goes to buy his milk. Checking out the chickens over here. Yeah. There are chickens in there. I don't hear them now. I don't think they're inside now. Any chickens in there? No, they're all out playing. Okay, well this has been Lucky's first visit to the barn. Bye, Lucky. Oh, you might hear a chicken? You see a chicken under there? Definitely the most interesting thing in the barn. Bye, Lucky. Bye, Lucky.